Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. So, if this is your first time to our channel, make sure you subscribe. We talk about finance, economics, business, stock investing, real estate, anything related to making more money and saving you money. So, subscribe so that you don't want to miss out. So, today our topic is about how to pay less property taxes. So if you do subscribe, make sure you click on the notification bell so you're gonna know every video that I post. And some of the videos are very time sensitive when it comes to money, so you don't want to miss out. So so this is a disclaimer. I'm not an attorney, a CPA, or tax or financial advisor. This channel's videos are for sharing on my opinions, knowledge, experience for education and entertainment purposes only. And you are advised to discuss with appropriate professional if you want to seek help. So you can pause this slide and read it if you want. Let's go to the next slide. So number one step you can do to reduce your property taxes to have the homestead exemption. The property that you live in is your primary home. That qualifies for homestead exemption. I'm gonna talk about from the perspective of the Texas homeowner. Different state has different laws and different regulation, and you are advised to check with your own county, your own city, and your own state. So basically, the school taxes, if you have a homestead exemption, the school taxes gonna be reduced by 25,000. So meaning if your home is 300,000, so basically the county gonna assess your home based on 275,000 instead of 300,000. It just reduce the base value of your property value. Then from 270,000, let's say if the property is 3%, so they just multiply property tax rate 3% with the 275,000. I'm just giving you an example. So there may be some special county taxes. You could also get 3,000 exemption for that. And then another type of exemption is if you are 65 years or older, and or if you're disabled. So you could get this exemption, so which is additional 10,000 for the school taxes, and any other taxing unit may offer additional exemption. Taxing unit like water district, CD, stuff like that. So what do you need if you want to get a homestead exemption? You can apply mailing. You need your ID of the front and the back, driver license, and make sure the address on the ID matches with your primary homes, the property that you want to apply homestead exemption for. That's really important. And also you need a moving date. And you can mail it in, or you can go to website, or you can use a mobile app. Some county have their own special apps, so which is very convenient. I love using mobile apps. So if you buy a property this year in 2020, so you can apply for homestead exemption for next year 2021. So which is the reason why in December is allow the people buy homes in December, so just to make use of the homestead exemption in the next year. So if you close on a home on December 31st, you could get a homestead exemption the next day on January 1st 2021. But if you buy the middle of the year 2020, you could get the previous homeowner's exemption. Previous homeowner exemption is going to apply. That you are advised to consult with your own attorney and tax advisor for that. So another way that you can apply for the protected property. So basically, not many homeowners know about this, and not many realtors gonna tell you how to do homestead exemption. Most of the realtors, a lot of the realtors gonna tell you, but they're gonna tell you by the mail, but not with the website and mobile apps. I usually tell everybody to go use the mobile apps because it takes about 3 minutes to get it done. Once you get the ID, just 3 minutes. And compared to mailing, you need to put you need to fill it out, and you need to put it in an envelope. You need to drive there to put a stamp on it. So it takes hours. So website probably not more convenience. So mobile apps is the most convenient. It takes about 3 minutes to do it. And another way is protest your property taxes. A lot of homeowners don't know how to do it. They don't even know that there is a way to protest the property taxes. They receive the tax assessment paper usually about February, March, and they have no idea what to do with it. And they just leave it there. But I basically if you protest it every year, that's gonna minimize your property tax. So what does it do? It means that you are disagreeing with your county's assessed value on your properties. You need to explain why your home or your property is worth less than the assessed value. Assessed value, their value is wrong. You think your property best up to the garbage treatment plan, your water treatment plans, and other undesirable situations. So let them know if that happens. Another thing, one of the most important components in the property tax protest is a CMA. So basically, if you have your realtor, you can ask for CMA every year. I give CMA to everybody, one of my clients and friends who request every year, so that they know that is my property value increase, or does it decrease, or is my tax basically is it too high compared to my market value of the home. So that's one thing. Another one thing is that if you have had any damages in your home, so you need to take photos that your ceiling has a hole, your wall sheetrock has a hole, your floor has damages that you need to fix, your fence needs replacement, you need a new roof, your roof is leaking, all those damages. Always take photos. Always take photos. You can show the photos to the county when you make a case. So after that, you need to make hearing appointments at the county office. So you make your case and they make their case, and the possible result, your property value decreases or stay the same. So you have nothing to lose, and you make sure you check the annual deadlines to protest the property. So after the deadline, there's nothing you can do to protest the property tax. Usually after you schedule in the county, it's basically usually around May 15th. So check with your county. They might have your counties might have a different deadlines for that. So that after you submit the whatever applications to protest the property tax, they're gonna schedule later end of the year. So you do this every year. There are professional services who charge you only on contingency basis, 35% of the reductions, or 40% or 50%, whatever the amount is. So for example, so if your property is 300,000, they are able to reduce to 290,000. So 10,000 is a reduction. So the 10,000 and your property tax is 3%. So 10,000 multiplied by 3%, and multiplies by 35% or 40%, 50%, whatever the charge they charge you. So that's the amount that you will pay. So you do not need to pay if your property tax doesn't decrease. So there is no reason for you not to protest the property tax. Yeah. And there are two different things. That some people may worry that if my property assessed value decrease, does it mean that I might not be able to sell it at higher price? You need to know the market value and the assessment values are totally different things. So you will know that usually market value is higher than the assessed value. Market value is based on your neighbors, how much they sold their houses for, and how much the buyers are willing to pay for, how much you're willing to sell for. So if the price meets, if the eyes of the buyers and the sellers meet together, that's when the market value happens. So they are the two different things. So you don't, I wouldn't worry about it, if I were you. But it's up to you. So these are the two things. So what can you do now? If you learn something from this video, make sure you subscribe and share this video so that you and your friends can reduce the properties and pay less property tax together. So you can go out and celebrate, have a dinner, whatever. Yeah, share this video. And I have a course coming up. So how to get your dream jobs in 30 days. If you make less than 75,000, or if you want to change your career.